Imagine that you could build your electronic devices in seconds. Imagine that you could do so without wiring or soldering. Imagine that the installation of such devices is easy and that they operate from batteries for years. Imagine that everything is wireless, secure, and yet open system. Imagine that you are a real maker.
You don't have to dream anymore, and you can achieve all of this with the BigClown IoT Kit. Hi, I'm Pavel, and I'm responsible for the development of the BigClown IoT Kit. Every day we work hard to make BigClown the best IoT kit in the galaxy. And we have some really cool features that make us different. We believe in modularity, so we have introduced a system, we call it plug and make, using which you don't need to struggle with soldering or wiring. Moreover, the future is wireless, as BigClown is. All the products leverage sub-gigahertz radio communication that is reliable and secure. But what about powering these devices? Well, that's really our strong point. Some devices operate more than 2 years from a standard alkaline batteries. With our outstanding support, documentation and tutorials, you are never left behind. Our passion for open source is tremendous, so we share everything what we do. So, what are you waiting for?
Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm very excited to welcome you in our Hardvario lab.
It all started 2 years ago. We left our jobs in a big company to follow our dream. The dream to get people crazy about making their own electronics. We stepped out of our comfort zone and we don't regret. Today, we are helping people with a desire to make something, and we enjoy every single moment with them. It's not a job, it's a mission.
In Hardvario, we just love hardware. We are a team of experienced and skilled software and hardware developers with a passion to get people crazy about electronics again. We have collected a lot of feedback from conferences, hackathons, exhibitions to improve our product and to bring the best IoT kit to the market. We have already manufactured and delivered hundreds of our kits to our first customers, hobbyists, schools, companies.
We have a clear vision about the next steps, new products and technological improvements. At the same time, we would like to say thanks to all customers who have already purchased our products.
Join us and become a next BigClown maker, because with your support, we can make the BigClown IoT kit better and more affordable.
We are all makers, and so are you.
We all have a freezer at home, right? It's a household appliance that never gets a break, and we keep it running day and night. Why not use all that surplus energy to keep yourself cool? Geyser is an eco-friendly, ice-powered cooling system that uses a special cooling gel that has amazing running costs, just under 1 cent a day. Even the casing is eco-friendly. Geyser is made of good old high-grade insulating wood. This means that the ice pack defrosts at a snail's pace, lengthening the operation time greatly. It's ventilated all round, giving 360 degrees of cooling power It's small too, which means it's portable and can be used wherever you need it. It's powered by a LiPo battery and can be charged via micro USB. Geyser has no on-off switches and only works if the two parts are connected. This makes it safer for children and pets. Damiano and Ferdinando are two young architects with a passion for 3D design and experimentation. This is the result of a lot of hard work on their part. They opened their firm 2 years ago and couldn't afford an air conditioner. That's when they came up with the idea of making a system which had lower running costs than an air conditioner and which worked better than a fan. The first plans were drawn on paper and then turned into 3D models. The first prototypes were made using a 3D printer. After an in-depth study regarding possible materials, wood was chosen for its outstanding insulation qualities. Then, the best components for long service life and performance were chosen. The cone-shaped ice pack acts as a diffuser, defrosting itself over a timescale of 5 hours. There's even an insert for an air freshener, just inserted into the base. To turn on Geyser's fan, just line up the two blue dots and pop the lid on. Geyser is available in natural wood finish or paint finish, with 2 different ventilation grids. Like it? Why not show your support and take one home today? Might be nice to cool off a bit.
Forge One is here. The full-scale 3D printer. Absolute precise. Extremely affordable. Very easy to use. High-resolution lead screw, zero backlash nut, high-resolution step motor, high-end ball bearings ensure absolute precise results. Variable resolution up to 5 nanometers precision, which means a perfectly smooth surface. Insulation material around the motor. The closed architecture and our fine tuning make Forge One extremely quiet. Over 21,000 cubic centimeters print volume. With the simple and very intuitive software, can anyone turn his visions into real objects with ease? Straight out of the box, within 10 minutes can you start printing. 3D printing has never been so easy. Choose the desired quality and proceed. The Forduino is much more than a smart interface. It guides you in beginner mode with step-by-step video tutorials and pictures, informs you via email if there's any anomaly or when the print is finished, and much more. Wireless charging, not a single cable to plug in. Just put the tablet into the drawer and that's all. The tablet coming with Forge One has an IPS display with more light points of most other kind of displays with the same resolution. For smooth prints, also in X and Y dimensions. And when you don't use it for printing, is a wonderful tablet with an 8-cores processor, 2 cameras, Bluetooth 4.0, aluminum case, and a lot more. The Z-axis is a masterpiece of precision, totally maintenance-free, with a special design of the lead screw which allows smallest and smoothest movements without any noise. With our optionally available resin management, Forge One takes the exact amount of resin as needed from his big tank, and not a drop more. Straight out of the box, within 10 minutes can you start printing. Forge One comes full assembled, calibrated, tested, and with our 1.8 liters resin pack. Similar SLA printers have half the build volume of Forge One, even those which cost 10 times more.
to have a cell phone I can use?
Government officials are urging the public to stay calm. Help. Lead inside.